Disney, take one. Hi, I'm Erin, I'm a TUI Disney expert.
Hi, I'm Amy and I'm a TUI Disney expert, and we're here to talk about Walt Disney World Resort in Florida.
In Walt Disney World Resort in Florida, no matter how old you are, you can be transported back to being a kid again, and it is the most magical place ever.
Walt Disney World Resort is almost the size of Manchester, and there's 4 amazing theme parks. Magic Kingdom Park, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Disney's Animal Kingdom, and EPCOT.
And for water babies, there's water park fun.
For eating, shopping, and unwinding, there's Disney Springs.
What more could you want?
We would always recommend that you buy your tickets before you fly.
You can find everything that you need at tui.co.uk/things to do,
including your 7 and 14-day Disney Magic tickets. Disney's Magic tickets are a better value than those bought on the gates because they come with a whole host of benefits.
As well as getting you into the Disney parks. You get Memory Maker included in your ticket, which is worth $199, and you get all your pictures from your magical holiday.
Other benefits include access to 1 round of mini golf per day, Disney's Oaks Trail golf course, as well as access to ESPN Wide World of Sports Complex.
And you get park hopper access from 2 p.m. onwards. When you buy your Disney Magic ticket before travelling, you will get access to the Disney Park Pass reservation system, meaning that you'll be able to book your park days in advance of your holiday.
But if you're arriving from the 9th of January 2024 onwards, you won't need to make any reservations.
If you want to speak to us about your Disney tickets, come and see us at your local TUI store.
Or call and speak to our dedicated team of TUI holiday experts. We'd recommend getting to the parks early. All Disney on-site resort hotel guests get an additional 30 minutes early theme park entry with a valid ticket to get a head start on your Disney day. The complimentary Disney Genie service is there to help you plan your perfect Disney day.
It will give you attraction and restaurant recommendations based on your preferences, and it will also tell you the forecasted wait times. We'd also recommend taking a break.
After an early start at the theme parks, head back to your Disney Resort hotel for a dip in the pool and a relax.
And then on the evening, you can head back into the theme parks to watch the nighttime spectaculars.
Oh my gosh.
They are everywhere.
You can find shops all over the Walt Disney World Resort. Head down to Disney Springs where you can find over 100 shops.
You'll find me at World of Disney. It has the world's largest collection of Disney merchandise.
Oh, this is going to be fun.
I'm already packing in my head right now.
Definitely comfy trainers.
Power bank for all the pictures that you're going to take.
A rucksack.
Sunglasses.
Sun cream.
And a reusable water bottle because there's plenty of free places to fill your water up from.
And please, please don't forget your favourite pair of Disney ears.
You have to remember these.
We hope you found this video helpful.
And we look forward to welcoming you on holiday soon.